to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Active voice, present indefinite, singular. He writes a letter, he does not write a letter, does he write a letter, does he not write a letter, why does he write a letter, why does he not write a letter. Plural. I write a letter, I do not write a letter, do I write a letter, do I not write a letter, why do I write a letter, why do I not write a letter. Past indefinite tense. He wrote a letter, he did not write a letter, did he write a letter, did he not write a letter, why did he write a letter, why did not write a letter. Future indefinite tense. He will write a letter, he will not write a letter, will he write a letter, will he not write a letter, why will he write a letter, why will he not write a letter. Present continuous tense. He is writing a letter, he is not writing a letter, is he writing a letter, is he not writing a letter, why is he writing a letter, why is he not writing a letter. Past continuous tense. He was writing a letter, he was not writing a letter, was he writing a letter, was he not writing a letter, why was he writing a letter, why was he not writing a letter. Future continuous tense. He will be writing a letter, he will not be writing a letter, will he be writing a letter, will he not be writing a letter, why will he be writing a letter, why will he not be writing a letter. Present perfect tense. He has written a letter, he has not written a letter, has he written a letter, has he not written a letter, why has he written a letter, why has he not written a letter. Past perfect tense. He had written a letter, he had not written a letter, had he written a letter, had he not written a letter, why had he written a letter, why had he not written a letter. Future perfect tense. He will have written a letter, he will not have written a letter, will he have written a letter, will he not have written a letter, why will he have written a letter, why will he not have written a letter. Present perfect continuous tense. He has been writing a letter since morning, he has not been writing a letter since morning, has he been writing a letter since morning, has he not been writing a letter since morning, why has he been writing a letter since morning, why has he not been writing a letter since morning. Past perfect continuous tense. He had been writing a letter since morning, he had not been writing a letter since morning, had he been writing a letter since morning, had he not been writing a letter since morning, why had he been writing a letter since morning, why had he not been writing a letter since morning. Future perfect continuous tense. He will have been writing a letter since morning, he will not have been writing a letter since morning, will he have been writing a letter since morning, will he not have been writing a letter since morning, why will he have been writing a letter since morning, why will he not have been writing a letter since morning. Active voice can, could, should. Can. He can go, he cannot go, can he go, can he not go, why can he go, why can he not go. Could. He could go, he could not go, could he go, could he not go, why could he go, why could he not go. He should go, he should not go, should he go, should he not go, why should he go. Why should he not go. Should have. He should have written a letter, he should not have written a letter, should he have written a letter, should he not have written a letter, why should he have written a letter, why should he not have written a letter. Passive voice, present indefinite passive voice. A letter is written by him, a letter is not written by him, is a letter written by him, is a letter not written by him, why is a letter written by him, why is a letter not written by him. Past indefinite tense, passive voice. A letter was written by him, a letter was not written by him, was a letter written by him, was a letter not written by him, why was a letter written by him, why was a letter not written by him. Future indefinite tense, passive voice. A letter will be written by him, a letter will not be written by him, will a letter be written by him, will a letter not be written by him, why will a letter not be, why will a letter be written by him, why will a letter not be written by him. Present continuous tense, future. A letter is being written by him, a letter is not being written by him, is a letter being written by him, is a letter not being written by him, why is a letter being written by him, why is a letter not being written by him. Past continuous passive voice. He was writing, a letter was being written by him, a letter was not being written by him, was a letter being written by him, was a letter not being written by him, why was a letter being written by him, why was a letter not being written by him. Present perfect tense, passive voice. A letter has been written by him, a letter has not been written by him, has a letter been written by him, has a letter not been written by him, why has a letter been written by him, why has a letter not been written by him. Past perfect tense, passive voice. A letter had been written by him, a letter had not been written by him, had a letter been written by him, had a letter not been written by him, why had a letter been written by him, why had a letter not been written by him. Future perfect tense, passive voice. A letter will have been written by him, a letter will not have been written by him, will a letter have been written by him, will a letter not have been written by him, why will a letter have been written by him, why will a letter not have been written by him. Can, passive voice can. A letter can be written by him, a letter can not be written by him, can a letter be written by him, can a letter not be written by him, why can a letter be written by him, why can a letter not be written by him. Should. Use of should. He should be written, a letter should be written by him, a letter should not be written by him, should a letter be written by him, should a letter not be written by him, why should a letter be written by him, why should a letter not be written by him. Could. A letter could be written by him, a letter could not be written by him, could a letter be written by him, could a letter not be written by him, why could a letter be written by him, why could a letter not be written by him. Should have. A letter should have been a letter should have been written by him, a letter should not have been written by him, should a letter have been written by him, should a letter not have been written by him, why should a letter have been written by him, why should a letter not have been written by him.